Morning guys, Lee from Source. We've just finished installing a new KENWOOD navigation system to this Mitsubishi ASX. It's a 2015 and the chap had got a faulty aftermarket radio already in it, so we've replaced it for a KENWOOD system. So as you can see here, just turn it on. This is the DNX5190DABS. You can see there we've put a nice little Mitsubishi logo on there to make it look a little bit more factory. This unit has got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, but the main reason for this unit going in here is the chap wanted built-in navigation. So we've got the Garmin Navi, which gives you 3 years free map upgrades. Just turn that down. So you can see that the steering controls are all remain working. Radio's on there fine, so that's DAB radio. So I say we've got FM radio. In the glove box we've mounted these two USBs. So then you've got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity there. So that's all fine. So I've gone to the nav, so then there's your Garmin Navi, and like I said before, 3 years free map upgrades. This unit comes with a 3-year warranty once we fitted it. Works really lovely, and like I say, you've got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There's also a reverse camera on here, so you see there I've just popped it into reverse. See the vehicle behind. This was already on the vehicle when it came in, but we've just returned it with this new radio. Any further questions or any information at all you need, give us a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.